Hi guys, I'm here today to show you how I get this easy pasta salad. First, I'm going to start off by prepping my vegetables. I don't like the skin of the cucumber, so I'm just going to cut it off and slice my cucumber. Now I'm going to take two Roma tomatoes and I'm taking the seeds out because I don't like the seeds, so I'm just taking them out and I'm going to slice those up as well. Okay, after I do the tomatoes, I'm going to do half of a yellow onion. I normally use purple onion, but I didn't have any, so I used yellow just to get the onion flavor. I love onion regardless, so it doesn't matter. Okay, now I'm going to add my pasta in boiling water. I used the multicolor Rotini. And I also boiled eggs as well. Okay, now I'm just going to drain my pasta and let it cool off for a couple minutes. Okay, now that my pasta has cooled down, I'm going to add it into a bowl. And yes, I used my hands. They are clean, and this is for me and me only. And I'm just going to add those chopped vegetables. And again, I'm using my hands, but who cares when it's for me and only me? Okay, and now I'm going to add the eggs in that I cut up the two eggs, and I'm just going to give it a stir. And now I'm going to add just regular Italian dressing by Kraft. I'm going to add about half a bottle and give it a stir. Okay, I also added onion powder, garlic powder, and Goya seasoning into this. Okay guys, that's pretty much it how I do my easy pasta salad. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.